welcome back. Activists have alleged Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar of delaying and hushing up the rape case in Vasco. They want government to make activists a part of the investigation team. The issue will be raised in parliamentary session on 28th April to respected MPs. Newly launched association People Against Atrocities and Injustice have called for a meeting on 15th April opposite to Marmugao municipality.
The Chief Minister has been monitoring is the hushing up of this case. That this case has been tried to be hushed up from day one. In fact, the Chief Minister should be honest that there is political pressure on him to hush up this case.
He has also asked the Chief Minister to make them a part of the investigation team.
I would challenge the Chief Minister, if you cannot get hold of the rapist, let us be part of the investigation. Give us one good device P, one good PI, one PSI and 3 constables is all that I would need, and let us assist this team and we would get the rapist as soon as possible. I challenge the Chief Minister to agree to this because all the Chief Minister wants is to hush up this case. And I've spoken to various MPs of various political parties so that this issue could be raised in Parliament on April 20th when the session of the Parliament begins.
On the other side, President of Bilanso Equad, Oda Vegas, said counselling of the victim was not done.
It was the government's duty to see that she's counselled properly and that she's strengthened and she returns to the school and sets an example that rape was not my problem. It's an injustice to me by someone else.
Vasco citizens launched an association, People Against Atrocities and Injustice. They will also have a public meet on 15th April opposite Marmugao municipality. Reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
Corporation of City of Panji is in the process to issue notices to all shopkeepers of the municipal market, asking them to produce relevant documents proving them owner of the concerned place. This process of document verification is going on in the wake of alleged scam in the allotments.
Officials of Corporation of City of Panji handed over the notices to the shopkeepers in municipal market. Notice says that shopkeepers has to produce relevant documents by 3rd of April to prove their ownership right of the allotted space. Approximately 700 notices have been handed over and few more are left to be issued on Monday.
जे शॉपवाले किंवा जे शॉपेवाले आसा त्यांका हे नोटिसीद्वारे अशी सूचना दिल्या की त्यांच्याकडे जे कितें लेटर आमच्या सीसीपी कडल्यान किंवा आनी कोणा कडल्यान त्यांचे हे आसत पजेशन जाल्यार ते तेंच्यांनी हाडून आमच्या ऑफिसान दाखोवचे ह्या खातीर व्हेरिफिकेशनाक लागून notice issue केल्ली आसा.
Shop allotment process of the market is in the dispute since its opening in year 2005. The notice says that those who fail to produce relevant documents, CCP will initiate inquiry against them. Now, after receiving the notice, Association of Shopkeepers is gearing up to tackle this situation. On Sunday, Shopkeepers Association has scheduled a meeting to discuss further course of action. Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
In the premises of High Court of Bombay at Goa, an exhibition is going on depicting the history of 150 years of Bombay High Court and its Goa bench. There are many historic judgments, stamps, pictures and documents on display. This exhibition is open till 15th April.
If you want to witness the historical setup of our High Court during pre-liberation time, then visit this exhibition organized in the premises of High Court of Bombay at Goa at Altino in Panji. Many historical judgments, stamps, pictures tell the story of legal processes of that time. Documents related to our father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi as barrister, along with the documents related to Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Vallabhbhai Patel, Vithalbhai Patel are also on display here.
This exhibition is scheduled to last till 15th of April. It is open to public on every single day, including Sunday and holiday. And I think the people of Goa as well as the tourists who come here, they should take advantage of seeing this exhibition. It is there from 10 to 6 every single day.
In the year 1510, Goa came under Portuguese rule, and in the year 1544, a court known as Tribunal de Relação de Goa was set up. After liberation of Goa, Tribunal de Relação de Goa was abolished and a judicial commissioner under the Indian judicial system was set up. Permanent bench of Bombay High Court at Panji was established on 30th October 1982. Present building of the High Court at Altino was inaugurated on 2nd October 1997.
People at large, at various places where Bombay High Court has got a bench, should get an opportunity to see some of the old artifacts, the old relics which are there in the possession of the Bombay High Court, so that they know more about the court, they know more about the formation of its formation, as well as the courts which were before Bombay High Court, how Bombay City developed, and also the various courts which started from the company's courts ultimately to the Crown's court.
This exhibition is open till the 15th of April here, and later it will be converted into a museum in the Bombay High Court. With video journalist Chetan Gauss, reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan has decided to raise up arms against state government for delay in finalizing Regional Plan 2021. GBA is disappointed by the government's delay in finalizing the Regional Plan 2021. They have decided to interact with village-level committees, groups and concerned citizens.
GBA is calling for a consultation on the Regional Plan 2021 on 2nd April at 4:30 p.m. We are inviting village groups, village level committees and concerned citizens to come together to discuss the way forward on RP 2021. Presently, though Regional Plan 2021 is the notified plan, it has been kept in abeyance and selectively used along with 2001 plan. Planning and development is happening in a very haphazard manner. GBA has always demanded one Goa, one plan. So whether it is the ODP, whether it is the FARs, whether it is building rules or the projects, all these issues need to be covered under the Regional Plan 2021. And so we are meeting to discuss the way forward.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.